Hello everybody, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Otabo, where we're in the business of money. So in today's discussion, I'll quickly be showing you the BTC, the Bitcoin is gradually heading to retest that popular high which it made, and it made news then when it created a new high. And then so how can you make the best of this? How can you trade this, make money for yourself, and also know when to get out and when to hold on and to get more profit from that? So quickly, in my last video I showed you how to look at your market and how to check your market and see the charts yourself. So quickly, the market, you can see on the bottom, you can see the second icon where you have market. So once you click on markets, you see a lot of coin, a lot of cryptocurrency. So let's look at BTC US against the USDT. So you can see this is on a monthly time frame. So each candle here represents 1 month. So this fresh candle now is started yesterday, which is on the 1st of September. So you can always change to maybe 1 hour, 6 hours. You can see all of them here, 1 week, 3 days time frame, and all of that. So let's see 1 day. So this is a 1 day time frame. So it means each of these candlesticks represents a daily time frame. So this is what happened within a day. So let's go back to monthly time frame, and you can see right here, right on the tip, where you have 64,854. That was the high that was created, and it made news. It was big news. A lot of people made profit, and then a lot of people said, oh, BTC is continuing to keep soaring high, it's going to the moon. That was the gist, but unfortunately it dumped, came all the way down, and then before making good strides now, which is going back to test that high. So quickly, let me show you how to just draw that zone. So you click on this. After you see MA, EMA, and the rest of them, the last one, you see this sign to enlarge our screen. And once we have our screen like this enlarged, we can always draw that resistance zone. So I'll click on the last on my bottom right, so I'll be able to draw. So let me draw and show you this. So just tap on it twice, and then you have this zone. So this is the zone where I am sure BTC, once BTC gets here, it's probably going to dump. So the only way I am going to be buying more BTC if it reaches this zone is if it breaks this zone, if it goes above this zone and then continues going on. Once it close above this zone that I have marked out, shows that indeed we are going to the moon. So I'll definitely want to buy when that happens. So but for now, those using Royal Q, you can set your BTC. You have, I think this is enough confidence for you to continue holding your BTC on a cycle. If you keep making profit, the more it drops, the more the bot buys for you. So but then when it gets to this zone, you can change to one shot, so it closes out, and then wait to see what happens at this zone. So once if it breaks the zone, good, we're going to continue to ride it to the moon. If not, you're safe. So you wait till it dumps, and then maybe later on you get in again on a buy. So that'll be it for me to you. And so this is not a financial advice. I'm just a guy that teaches forex. I teach cryptocurrencies. So this is my view. This is what I think is going to happen to BTC in the month of September. So you can ride it all the way to that resistance zone. It probably would break and create a new high. So guys, that's it from me to you. I'm saying stay safe and do take care of yourself. Before I forget, do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I release more videos. Thank you very much, and stay safe. Bye.